Alright, chat, welcome back to another recap. Today is, I think, Friday, I guess. No, today is Thursday. And your boy kind of took like three trades. I've posted the first one on the community post on the main channel, but I've taken two other trades afterwards. And here are those trades, as you could see. Bro, wish that I could just hold on to that first one, bro. I could have gotten out above these highs. But it is what it is. But I'm happy with the execution though. So yeah. All right. Before doing the recap, make sure you subscribe, give a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, what else? Yeah, if you're new to the channel, sub up, man. And by the way, make sure to check out Lucid Funding. 50% discounts going on right now, and yeah, use code next gen. Okay. By the way, Chad, I didn't know why I was mumbling yesterday so badly when I rewatched that video. I was like, what the fuck, dude? I don't know. I think it was because that uh I took that gap uh almost about a week, I think. I don't know. I think that was the reason. But yeah, I was like hell a lot mumbling previous on the previous video. But yeah, whatever, man. So, why did I took this first trade? First of all, if you go on your hourly time frame, right there, I think I took the trade right around here. So we swapped this low right there. We swapped liquidity. Then look what we are doing. So you swapped liquidity with this move right there. All right. Then we broke down and took out that liquidity to uh, push more buy side or buy orders. Why? Because if smart money uh, are out of the game as soon as we took that low out, why they're pushing price lower? I mean below that low again, just to accumulate more longs, right? So that's what I had in my mind, and I was like, all right, New York session just started. I mean, New York kill zone just started right there, 7 a.m. We consolidated. We did a fake move to the upside, then manipulated lower below these lows while we have already taken out that sell side. So there is a high probability that we could push higher. And look what's happening right here. So we created a lower low, all right there to trap traders. I think we had a SMT and we had this SMT right there. And then we pretty much had that market structure shift, this market structure shift, a small one. If I zoom in more, there is a market structure shift. As soon as that happened, I waited for the next candle. The next candle tapped into this fair value gap. All right, and I entered on this candle. Let me show you the execution. Where are those? Where are the execution? Right there, I guess. I took all this trade on my live account, by the way. Right there. So right there, I entered the long, took some partials here, got out hopefully. Then the second long is here. The third short is right there, and you can see all the exit and get in. And yeah, so pretty much I entered on the next candle because we failed to close below this bearish fair value gap. Well, I told you guys before, like I want to see this fair value gap get invalidated first, which we uh, I think have here, then validated, then again invalidated, probably with a market structure shift. Where as soon as you close back inside of this, right there with that candle, I was like, all right, I'm going in, because if price is not going lower, and this whole move to the downside is a manipulation, it should be going up, right? And pretty much that was the context behind this trade, and I got out somewhere around here, right there. Then price pretty much created a failure swing high with this high, so I was like, all right, let's see if it wants to go lower. So it wasn't doing anything too much here, but I took a small trade right there. First manipulation is here, We create a lower high, we create a lower low, people are going short right there, then we create another lower low, and as soon as I see that, I'm like, all right. I mean, sometimes I could be wrong, but most of the time I've seen this uh like work out for me. The second swept right there, I entered my position and I took off like 60% on that trade right above that high, then got stopped out somewhere around here with the rest of the position, then entered a short because of this market structure shift, and we had this inverse gap right there. Let me take all this off. We have this inverse gap, we couldn't push price higher. As soon as this candle closed back in, I went short within the next candle, and pretty much took some partial right below that low, took some more partial, got stopped out right there, and pretty much those are the trades. And I didn't trade at the market opening today. Look at that shit, bro. This just went straight to the moon, bro. But anyway, I'm happy with the execution today, bro. Uh, I don't mind trading before the market opening as long as I can make money, all right? And many of you have been like commenting about like why don't you show your live account or what. I don't want to bring the money thing right here, all right? If you want to learn something, watch these videos. If you don't want to learn anything, you can go watch someone else, bro. I don't want to flash money, even though I don't have that much of money, which I always admit. I'm still not at that level where I can like show you guys money, and I don't want the reason for you to watch me. I don't want money to be the reason. That's it, bro. Like, I want you guys to learn something, and if you are happy learning it, stick with this channel. If you don't, go so watch someone else. And I've shown my execution. I've shown my live account previously. I didn't show the money, but I've shown you guys the live account and the execution. So if those who didn't see that, I don't care, bro. If you don't believe me, that's your choice, but I'm here to share how I trade, and if that helps you, well, you should be glad, bro. But yeah, man, pretty much that's it. And yeah, market, after the market opening, we did have some pretty nice what setups, bro. Like this inverse gap right there, we validated that right there, and failure string low right there. If you entered long there, you could have caught this move, which is almost around, how many points is that? Almost 200 points, but damn. But yeah, man, that's it for today. I hope you guys learned something. If you didn't, then probably you need to watch the video again. But yeah, man, and make sure to check out Lucid Funding. Use code NEXTGEN only on Lucid. And if you want to trade with the platform that I trade for my live account, I trade CFDs, by the way. I trade with Bybit. You can check them out. The link is in the description. And yeah, I'll probably catch you guys tomorrow if I trade. And till then, be safe, take care of your health, your mental health. Peace out, chat.